Ever found yourself stuck at a crossroads, unsure about which path to take? Life is a series of decisions, both big and small. From deciding what to have for breakfast to choosing a career path, we're constantly bombarded with choices. And let's face it, decision-making can feel like trying to solve a complex puzzle, especially when the stakes are high. Now, why is making the right decision so challenging? One reason is the sheer abundance of choices that we have today. It's like standing in front of a vending machine filled with hundreds of different snacks. You want to pick the best one, but with so many options, it becomes overwhelming. This is what psychologist Barry Schwartz calls the paradox of choice. In his research, Schwartz found that while having options is generally good, having too many can lead us to anxiety and decision paralysis. We fear making the wrong choice, so we end up not making a choice at all. Or we do choose, but then we second-guess ourselves, wondering if we could have made a better decision. Another reason why decision-making can be tough is because of the uncertainty that comes with it. There's always a risk involved. You might be choosing between two job offers, for instance. One offers a higher salary, but the other offers better work-life balance. You can't predict the future, so you can't be sure which choice will ultimately lead to the highest level of satisfaction. Then there's the pressure to make perfect decisions. We live in a society that often equates success with making the right choices. But the truth is, no one makes the right decision every single time. And that's okay. Mistakes and wrong turns are part of the learning process. Now, imagine if there was a roadmap to help you navigate through the maze of decision-making. A set of steps designed to guide you from confusion to clarity. Wouldn't that be a game changer? Making decisions doesn't have to be like finding a needle in a haystack. Let's explore how to do it effectively. Do you know that the first step in decision-making is a thorough investigation? Yes, you heard it right. It's all about digging deep, gathering as much information as you can about the situation at hand. It's like assembling the pieces of a puzzle. Each piece of information adds more clarity, bringing the bigger picture into focus. Research supports this approach. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Decision-Making found that individuals who take the time to investigate and gather more details tend to make more accurate and effective decisions. It's about understanding the layers, the nuances, the subtleties of the situation. So, the next time you're faced with a decision, pause. Take a breath. Begin your investigation. Ask questions. Seek answers. Don't rush. Let the information guide you towards the best possible outcome. Remember, a well-informed mind is a powerful tool in decision-making. Ever wondered how your environment affects your decisions? Just as a plant needs fertile soil to thrive, our decision-making abilities flourish in a constructive environment. Picture this, a space where openness and positivity reign, where judgment is left at the door and creativity is the honored guest. Research has shown that a constructive environment can fuel our creative engines, leading to more effective decisions. When we feel safe to express our ideas and thoughts, we're more likely to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and to generate innovative solutions. Think of the legendary meetings of minds that have shaped our world. From the intellectual salons of Enlightenment Europe to the bustling tech hubs of Silicon Valley, these were all spaces where ideas could breathe, grow, and mature. And so, in our quest to make the right decisions, let's not neglect the power of our surroundings. As the saying goes, a positive environment nurtures a positive mind. Do you believe that multiple options lead to better decisions? Let's dive into the world of alternatives, the very essence of choices. You see, when we're faced with a decision, it's easy to get tunnel vision, focusing on a single solution or path. But research shows that considering multiple alternatives can significantly improve the quality of our decisions. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that individuals who considered at least 3 alternatives made far superior decisions than those who didn't. Generating good alternatives is not just about quantity, but quality too. It's about exploring different perspectives, challenging the status quo, and pushing the boundaries of our thinking. It's about creating a rich landscape of options where each one brings something unique to the table. So, next time you're faced with a decision, don't just settle for the first solution that comes to mind. Invite in the alternatives. After all, the more the merrier isn't just for parties, it's for decision-making too. How often do you take time to explore all your options? This is a question worth pondering over, especially when you're faced with a crucial decision. Exploration is a fundamental step in the decision-making process. It acts as a compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of choices towards the best solution. Research in the field of cognitive psychology emphasizes the importance of exploring options in depth. It's akin to turning over every stone, ensuring you don't overlook potential opportunities or risks. By examining each option from different perspectives, weighing the pros and cons, you equip yourself with a comprehensive understanding of the situation. This thorough exploration allows you to make informed decisions, rather than impulsive ones. It's about choosing the path that aligns with your goals and values, not just the one that appears easiest or most appealing at first glance. So remember, when you're standing at a crossroads, don't rush. Take your time, explore. Exploration isn't just for adventurers, it's for decision makers too. Ready to make your decision? Let's select the best solution. The journey of decision making brings us to this pivotal moment, the final step: selection. You've investigated the situation, crafted a constructive environment, generated alternatives, and explored your options. Now comes the time to select the best solution from the alternatives you've generated. But how do we go about choosing the best solution? Well, researchers in cognitive psychology suggest that a systematic approach can be beneficial. It's about weighing the pros and cons of each alternative, considering the consequences, and evaluating how well each solution aligns with your goals and values. Picture each alternative as a different path you could take. Each path has its own unique landscape, challenges, and rewards. You might be tempted to take the path that looks the easiest or the most familiar, but it's crucial to evaluate each one impartially. Consider the potential outcomes of each alternative. What will be the immediate impact of this decision? What about long-term effects? Will it bring you closer to your goals, or could it potentially derail your progress? The process of selection isn't just about choosing the most appealing option. It's about making a decision that will have the most positive impact on your life. It's about choosing the path that aligns with your values and moves you closer to your goals. The beauty of this process is that it's not set in stone. It's flexible, adaptable, and can be tailored to suit your unique situation. You can revisit the alternatives, reassess your priorities, and tweak your decision as needed. Remember, decision-making isn't a race. It's a process, a journey, and it's okay to take your time. The important thing is to make a decision that feels right for you and that aligns with your values and goals. So, take a deep breath, trust in the process, and make your selection. You've done the groundwork, you've weighed your options, and now you're ready to make an informed decision. Once you've selected your solution, it's time to evaluate your plan and take action. Remember, the power of decision-making lies in the execution. So proceed with confidence and embrace the journey that lies ahead. Now that you've made your decision, how will you communicate it? This is where the rubber meets the road. Your decision, as insightful as it may be, remains a dormant seed until it's communicated effectively, sparking action. The art of communication is like the catalyst in a chemical reaction, accelerating the implementation of your decision. Studies conducted at the University of California, Berkeley have shown that clear communication can increase the success rate of decision implementation by up to 80%. So, whether it's a life-altering personal decision or a strategic business choice, it's essential to articulate it clearly and confidently. Use simple language, be concise, and ensure your message is understood, and then move from words to action. Start implementing your decision step by step with determination and resilience. And remember, be open to feedback and ready to make adjustments along the way. Remember, a decision is only as good as its execution. So, are you ready to become a master decision maker? As we've journeyed through the art of decision-making, we've learned that it's not just about choosing between options. It starts with a thorough investigation of the situation and creating a constructive environment where ideas can flourish. The essence of choices lies in generating good alternatives, and to do that, we must explore all our options. Selecting the best solution may seem like the end, but it's just the beginning of the next phase. Once you've made your decision, it's crucial to evaluate your plan, communicate your decision, and take action. Each step in this process is a vital part of the journey. And remember, this journey is not a solitary one. Engage others in your decision-making process and value their input. Remember, every decision is an opportunity to learn and grow, so don't be afraid to make decisions. Make them wisely and make them count. Did you enjoy our journey through the art of decision making? If this video has helped you in any way, we'd love for you to hit that like button. It's a small action, but it lets us know that we're on the right track. And if you think this video could help someone else, please share it with them. After all, decision making is a journey we all undertake, so why not make it a shared experience? We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Do you have any decision-making strategies that work for you? Any questions or insights you'd like to share? We're always eager to learn from our community. And finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. We're constantly exploring new topics, and we'd love for you to join us on this journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, your decisions shape your destiny.